is poverty. Poverty is what? What is? What meaning is? Poverty means sometimes we say what? Lack of resources, lack of money, lack of some materials from which we can survive our life. We need some material sometimes. Okay, and if we want, but first of all, we need to know what is. Okay, what is it? Poverty. Chapter name is you are looking at poverty as a challenge. Poverty, not even in our India are looking. Okay, in our India are looking. Only not in our country. Also in other country are looked as poverty. Means here are given definition or definition as a book language. Okay, poverty is a state. Yeah, uh, whereas rich means already a person who have a lot of money. Okay, then that person is called rich person. But at the same time, poor. Okay, and rich. So poor who is and rich who is person. Poor a person who have a lot of money. Okay, and other side, if we talk about poor, so a person who have what? Who have lack of resources, lack of money. Okay, this person is known as poor. This person is known as rich person. Okay, so this word you are looking at, so this word are used as a poverty. Okay, poverty is a state means this person is what? Poor. So these states tells, so okay, where people lack the financial resources means in other word we say what? Lack of money from which this person can education to your children. Okay, can educate your children, but lack of resources, due to lack of resources this person cannot afford to your children in the matter of education, health, your children's health. Okay, children's health and children's education. So here lack the financial resources, okay, and essentials for a minimum standard of living means these people don't have minimum essential materials, don't have, okay, from which this person can live as a standard living. Okay, so here tells us what? First of all, lack of resources. This person have lack of resources, and also as a standard living, this person don't have. Okay, don't have. This person don't have living as a standard living. Okay, so this word do remember lack of financial resources and essential minimum essential need. This person minimum this person need minimum essential materials things from which this person can survive as a standard living. Okay, okay. So now you got it. Means people. Here two people. Okay, one people one side, second people one side. So who is poverty? Means this person is poor. This person is poor. This person is rich. So now you tell me who is poverty? Who is poverty person? So this simple answer. Okay, this it's not. So what? This person have lacked their financial resources from which through this person means a lack of financial resources through this person cannot afford in the education matters in your in their children's education, children's health. Okay, this person cannot afford because lack the financial resources. Okay, and this person don't have essential needs, essential things, essential materials from which this person can survive as a student. Okay, clear? Next line, poverty in India means now as I said, poverty not even in our India we are looking at in our India. No, also we look in other country as a poverty. Okay, also, but here are given three words. But poverty in India means we are taking an example of our India country. Okay, means now let's talk about poverty, but in the Indian country. Poverty is one of the most difficult challenges, yeah, faced by India. Okay, poverty is the one of the most difficult challenges faced by India. Approx 220 million. This data you can imagine this data. People live in poverty. This data shows this time. Okay, means this number you are looking at this number people are living in poverty in this present time. Okay, in the present time. So one, poverty is one of the most difficult challenges. Okay, and faced by India. And and here are given data 220 million people live in poverty in this present time. Okay, so here any word from which from that you are getting face? No, means poverty already you know. And this was most of the this was one of the most difficult challenges faced by India. And time is what 2011 2012, and people number of people 220 million. You can imagine 220 million is only poverty people, means poor people. Means 220 people are living in poverty, are living in poverty, means as a poor, as a poverty. You can imagine what these people don't have essential needs, don't have essential materials, don't have essential things. Okay, this number of these people don't have essential materials, and these people are not living as a standard living, as a standard of living. These people. But not problem. It's not problem. But problem is 220 million. This number shows a large of people, and a large of people are living in poverty. And one point here is coming. But in India, not only in the world, only in our country, and that country is our country. It's India country. In India country are living 220 220 million people as a poverty. And these people don't have these people don't have essential needs. These people have lack of the financial resources, and these people cannot afford get cannot afford will get from which will get the education of their children. These people cannot afford. And what these people, okay, these people cannot live as a standard life because poverty. because due to lack the financial resources, lack of money, lack of essential needs. Okay, and time is what? Time. Do remember 2011 to 2012. Next word, see. But do remember, what is difficult? Words are difficult, but we will discuss. We will understand one word, two of one word, because through word we can understand easily of sentence. Okay, through word. So whenever we discuss like in a lecture, then we will focus what at word, sentences, and what is saying this sentence, this word. So this is our focus. Okay, this is our need. Okay, and also we understand after this complete what is the story, what is the moral story of this. Okay, what is the story of this, we will discuss, we will now. And we need to know what is it, what is meaning of this word. Okay, we need to know, but sometimes we are going without understanding of this word. So like this we cannot do. Okay, we need to understand of one by one word. Okay, poverty also means lack of shelter and food. Shelter means as a living place. Okay, so poverty also means, here are saying also means. Okay, already we have saw about the poverty, but here are given other words related to poverty. About poverty means, poverty also means lack of shelters, means a house. Okay, home. So this person, almost you will see what this person, this person don't have any types of a shelter, any types of food, this person don't have. So this is so what poverty. Okay, so lack of shelter, lack of food. If you see, then you in your mind can come what this point, poverty. Okay, through this comes poverty. Okay, also means lack of education. Yeah, and here we discussed what through these people cannot afford, these people cannot afford in education, in their children's education, in their children's health. This person cannot afford. And here are given next sentence word also means lack of education. But in our Indian constitutions are mentioned about education, means education is compulsory of all citizens. Okay, but some category of persons don't get education, and you can see, and in your mind would be coming what lack of money. Through lack of money, some people are not getting education. Lack of money. If people have lack of money, then in future time we can say that person, same that person will have lack of education in the upcoming time, because lack of money. Through money these people can afford, through money these people can afford in education matter, in their education, in their children's educations, in their children's health. Through money we got it, you got it. But here we are saying what people have lack of money, and people will be lack of money, then also automatically we can say what people will be will we have what? Lack of education. Till here we are clear. Lack of a health treatment, health and education. Role of health and education is compulsory in our life, in each citizen's life. Okay. Role of education, role of health. If you don't have education, sufficient education, then we can say in future time you cannot work at affordable, effectively means as a skilled person. You cannot work upcoming time if you don't have sufficient education. Then and next what? Next role of health. What are role of health in our life? Health is compulsory, but problem is if we don't treat, if we don't treat as a fit, as a healthy person, we don't treat on our body as a healthy persons, then we can face, a lot of disease we can face. Okay, as a lot of disease. But here we need to treatment for our health. But some person, this point are this person, some person, okay. Some persons disagree this point about health education, you can say. Okay. But we need to treatment of our health. We need to get education. But okay, in this line we got it. What? In this line, due to some lack of money, people cannot afford education. People cannot means parents education. Parents cannot afford in their children's educations due to some lack of money. Due to lack of money. But in this matter also point comes money. But in this matter means trade, as a trade point comes what? Lack of money. Then also we can say automatically what? Due to lack of money people are getting death, not to trade. Okay. So due to, we can say only due to lack of resources, lack of money. People people because you are looking in your surrounding area what? In private hospitals, okay, private doctors, you see what? Expensive medical, expensive hospitals, expensive, but we almost face as a expensive medicine. Okay, I am telling you, I am using word expensive. So this person cannot afford as a expensive medicine. So you tell me how this person can face as a expensive medicine. So in this matter comes a point about money. And already we have discussed what? This persons don't have money, a lot of money. Okay, lack of a health treatment. And first point to do remember what? We need to do treatment of our health. We need to know about one things, new things. Okay, new things means sometimes we need to know what is this, means what is health, what is a treatment, what is education, what is a subject, means why we study economic subject as a subject, why we need economic subject. So sometimes we need to know. Okay, but in this matter person need to treatment of your health. Okay, till here we are clear. Lack of clean water. So whatever we are discussing, so this point, so what, poverty, as a poverty. So lack of clean water, through this, through this means through lack of clean water means in direct, this sentence are saying what, dirty water. People are using dirty water. So if people are using dirty water, then we can say what, through this people are getting face as a disease patient. Okay, unhealthy. People are facing unhealthy. So lack of clean water, this is so poverty. And sanitation means clean and clear of your body. Okay, clean and clear of your body. If a person will sanitation, will clean and clear, if a person will be health, then we can say, what, people is asset for country, for the economy. But in this matter also comes education. People must have education. Okay, and as well as health, healthy person. Okay, then we can say that person is asset for the country, for the economy. Okay, so sanitations, but we need to drink as a clean water. Okay, we don't need dirty water. Okay, poverty as seen by social scientist. Social scientist. So social scientist, how does see as a poverty. Our social scientist see how. Okay, usual indicators of poverty. So this was usual indicators of poverty, but here are given. So let's see. Income. So income indicators of poverty means lack of income. So some persons, you will see, some persons have lack of money, lack of resources, but here lack of income means lack of money, lack of salary. So this income. So what, poverty. Consumption means consume, do consume, means you are getting consume more, but you need to consume some. Okay, less. Okay, but you are getting consume more. So this is so consumption. Lack of a health care. If in any country have lack of a health care, so this is so what is indicators of poverty. So health care we see in any country, but proper consult of patients. So this need. Okay, safe for drinking water means and direct saying what, dirty water. People use dirty water because people don't have clean water. Then people use dirty water. So safe drinking water, if don't have, then there's indicators of poverty. Okay, poverty line. So poverty line is what we will discuss, and then here are given definition of poverty line. A common method used to measure poverty. Yeah, poverty line tells us what, a method, that from which poverty person we can measure. Okay, we can found out easily. A common method, this is method from which we can find out. A common method used to measure poverty is based on income or consumption levels. Means if we will talk about of poverty line, then we will see what, first is income, second is consumption of people, and through this means through income, through consumptions, we can imagine, we can decide poverty, who is poverty, person who is poverty, who person is poverty line. Okay, so through this we can understand. And in the next we will discuss to next. Okay, to next we will discuss means in next will come about poverty line, then we will discuss. We are talking about to next we are talking about a person is considered means we are discussing what about poverty line. Okay, already I told about the poverty line, one sentence means poverty line is what. This is it's a second line, second sentence of a poverty line about a poverty line. It's a second sentence, but first sentence was what was okay. First sentence: poverty line is a method from which we can measure of poverty person. Okay, who person is poverty through poverty line we can determine. Okay. Second sentence of a poverty line is what? What are telling us? A person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level. Means this given minimum level. Okay, and a person means who poor income of poor person, consumption of poor person falls below a given minimum level means below means this indicates so as below, this indicates as above. Okay, so a given minimum level means line is given. Okay, and one person but income level of a person below falls, then we say that person is poverty. Okay, and consumption of a poor person falls below a, through a given line. Okay, then we say what that person is poverty person. Okay, necessary to fill the basic needs means above. If you want what to above means this words of BPL and this APL means B means full name of B below. Okay, below. P means poverty, L means line, A means above. Okay, above. P means poverty and L means line. So above on the line, then we say that person is APL. But when does we say what person is BPL? When person will fall through this line, then we say that person is BPL powered BPL. Okay, so maximum this person needs what we will discuss maximum necessary to fill basic needs. Okay, but here are telling us what a person then becomes poverty person when that person falls below line, whatever line is given. Okay, so minimum level, this is minimum level. So a person falls below the this line, through this line, then we say that person is poverty person. Okay. About it we will discuss, so don't worry about it. Consideration for poverty line. Okay, then not about it I am telling you. About it I am telling you what BPL person when we can consider when person are considered as poverty, when any person below falls below a given minimum level, then that person is considered as poverty person. Okay, consideration for poverty line in India means it's a headline. Okay, about it now we will discuss. Minimum level of food requirement means here are saying Constitution means some facts, you can say some sentences, some related to this poverty here are given, and here are talking about constitution of for poverty line in India. What are okay? Minimum level of for food requirement means a person, poverty person, because we are talking about poverty line. So poverty person at least need some food requirement, and we can say what poverty person must have at least basic needs. Okay, at least basic foods must have, poverty person must have. And here are saying what minimum level of food requirement that decide what constitution of poverty line. Okay, then we can say that is BPL. Okay, so at least food requirement uh, poverty person need. Clothing, yeah, at least that person can survive as a what, as a standard living. Okay, as a living person, whatever person are living as a simple life. Okay, so this person can live as a simple life. Okay, so clothing this person need maximum means basic. This it's basic needs. These are basic needs for poverty person. Fuel and light electricity and LPG. So here if we are discussing about it, constitution for poverty line in India. So here are whatever here are given. So this show us what its basic needs for poverty line means food requirement, clothing, fuel, light, electricity. Without light, electricity, we cannot study. Okay. Without LPG, we cannot cook effectively. Okay. Clothing is compulsory for prevents to cold, uh, prevents to what, hot hot day, cold day. So cloth is compulsory. Food requirement, why? Through food we are living. As a coming day, we are living through food. So cloth why is compulsory? Why we need cloth? Because we can prevents to cold day. We can live without cold day feeling. Okay, without hot feeling. Okay, we can survive in our life. Light, electricity, why are compulsory? Okay, because we cannot study at effectively. Okay, without electricity and without light, we will face a lot of problem. Okay, LPG, through LPG we can cook. Okay, and if in our mind can come are coming through LPG, what, food. So food is a requirement. Food requirement. Educational and medical requirement, it's a basic needs. Okay, whatever here are given sentences about consideration for poverty line in India. So so what basic needs already I told you. Educational and medical requirement, what is it? So it is so basic needs. Education is compulsory. Already in our Indian Constitution are mentioned about education. So it's compulsory and universal, as a universal. So it's compulsory. Medical requirement. Why? Sometimes we need to requirement of our body. So we go to hospital for treatment. So why? Because we need to do sometimes we need to do treatment for our body. Then we go hospital, and uh, as your situation, then you can go to hospital as your situation. Okay. you can take medicine, you can go as a near doctor, you can go also hospitals, but as your situation, then you decide what is right, what will be wrong. Okay. Education and medical requirement. Why? Through education, we cannot face as a what discrimination. So if we have education, we gain education, then we treat among people as a equally. If we don't have education, then we will face as unequally. Sometimes we will face, and if we don't have education, so then we will face a lot of problem. Means we need to now we need to know about new things. What is it? So through education, through knowledge, we can find out. But if we don't have education, so then how can we find out? Okay, you tell me, how can we find out if we don't have education? So here points comes what education is compulsory. So knowledge is compulsory. Why? We our life is what? Our life is going coming next day. Okay, our life is going. And in the period of time, in this present time, we need what some materials, some things, and we will face means we have will come, we will have come what some things. Whenever we live, so you will see what this is what. So you sometimes you will decide from that things, because in your mind comes what lack of education, and direct comes in your mind lack of educations. Okay. So the why? Through education we can find out knowledge. We can know what is it, what is happening in our surrounding area. Okay, so through this medical, why is compulsory? Why we need in our life medical as a situations? Because our body is not is permanent. You can say our body is permanent, but our body is you can say unchanged. No, change. Okay, change. Our body change coming day. So this is our body. It's not iron. It's not stone. It's a soft. Okay, it's made up by cell, by blood. Okay, a lot of through a lot of things are used for body. So sometimes we will face what? Sometimes we fall whenever we goes one place to another place. Then what? Then sometimes we fall. Sometimes we work in our area, and sometimes what? Your body cut. Okay, your body cut. Is cut. Then you need to requirement. You need to treatment, and you goes to doctor, and doctor consult your problem. Okay. So here medical, medicine, hospital, so all things it are comes in medical requirement. So this is the reason we can say medical requirement is compulsory in our life. Next, food items calorie requirement. Calorie requirement means calorie are found in food. Okay. So a lot of foods are available in our life whenever we we do dinner. So in food are found calorie. So calorie is a requirement in our food, and through calorie we can work for long time. Okay. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 24 calories per person. Here are talking about per person. So 2400 calories calorie need a person per day in a rural areas. Here are talking about only in a rural areas. Now we will see what in urban areas what what is requirement, what need, what does need. Okay, how much need, how many need calories in urban areas. Okay, okay, we are agree 2400 calories per day. But after this, we will compare rural areas and what urban areas. So India is a 20 India requirement in India is 2400 calories per year per day in urban areas and 2100 calories per person per day in urban areas. So here you can compare what here in urban areas are used by rural person to 2400 calories, but in urban areas only 20 urban areas urban person an urban person uses 2100 calories. Why? Per person per day. Per person per day and in urban areas and per person per day in rural areas is equal. Is equal, but calorie is not equal. Calorie is not equal. Why? Reason. Reason will be okay. Reason will here are not a discussion, but I will tell you what in rural areas you will see what person of rural areas are person of rural areas work hardly, so this person need more calories compared to urban person. So urban person work a smart work, so this person minimum at least 20, this person need at least 2100 calories. Okay, so this is the reason why 24,000 calorie this person need and why only 2100 calories this person means urban person need, because answer is what this person work hardly. And you will see in rural areas, in village areas, in agricultural areas what people work hardly whenever work. Okay, but in urban areas people work a smart work. Okay, people work hardly but not compared to this person. So only this person means urban person need requirement only 2100 calories. Okay, so next interstate disadvantage means we say what similarities means equality, but here are not saying equality, unequality. Interstate, one state, second state, and between this what we are going to discussing what unequality between state. Reduce reduce poverty means less have reduced poverty due to agriculture growth. In Punjab and Haryana you will notice what due to through this agriculture have reduced poverty, and it's a good thing. Okay, it's nice data. In and Punjab and Haryana through agriculture growth reduce poverty, and Kerala has focused on human resources. And now at the present time you will notice what you will see in Kerala, and also whenever you will study then about Kerala you will realize what Kerala has focused on human resources as this is our state. And if you want to talk about countries, so countries who from which we can say country has focused on human resources. So countries who Japan country. Okay, Japan have invested more on your public, from which at the present time we can say Japan people are work as a job. Okay, Japan person work as a job. Okay, so at the whereas our state means Kerala has focused on human resources. One side, our Punjab and Haryana state state to do agriculture, okay, and through this agriculture reduce poverty, and through this we can say what, reduce poverty. Kerala is focused on human resources, so this is so what, reduce poverty, okay. Then only here are talking about Kerala state, okay. And already you know what in our India have 28 states, but only one state have focused on human resources, and remain state where where are remain state. So depend on government, depend on people, depend on area. What is environmental of state, okay, and we can say most of depend on government. So you can compare, okay, you can notice, you can imagine, you can understand what, through agriculture reduced poverty, through human resources reduced poverty. Land reforms next, land reforms means agriculture land, okay. Land reforms reduced poverty, West Bengal. This is our state, and in this our state, through land reforms reduced poverty. Okay. Public distribution system, it's related to food contribution. This through this food contribution, and through this reducing poverty, and this we see where in Andhra Pradesh state and Tamil Nadu, means Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, through this system, public distribution system contributes to reducing poverty. So about it we will discuss whenever this topic will come, then we will discuss about it. But here only say what, this state use public distribution system, uh, and through this state contributes for food to reducing poverty, okay. So here you can compare what, between state, what Punjab and Haryana do agriculture. So agriculture growth, due to agriculture growth have reduced poverty, and Kerala has not focused on agriculture. This is other side, okay, it's other side. Kerala is focused on human resources, and through this in Kerala state have reduced what, poverty. Land reforms, land reforms in West Bengal state have reduced poverty. Public distribution system, through public distribution systems, Andhra Pradesh state and Tamil Nadu state use this system to contribution to reducing system. So this is so what, reduced poverty, have reduced poverty. In next we will discuss about it, okay. What we will come, then we will discuss further. We will discuss features. Here are given features of high poverty rates, means if in our India, in any country will be high poverty, then what we will face, what will what will we face, okay. Income inequality, first of all we will face income inequality, means whatever you have your salary, or whatever you are your salary, so you can compare to other person in matter of income, and then you will understand, you will see what income equality. You will think what, that person income is high, at higher level, my income is, why? So this means you think that person income is at higher level, my income is lower level. So this so what, in income, about income we are talking about, So income inequality, and this is so what in equality, inequality, and we are talking about income. So this is so what income inequality. Okay, if in any country will will go higher poverty rates, then okay we will face inequality in income. And next is unequal distribution of resources. Yeah, through high poverty, we can face unequal distribution of resources, whatever is given by government. Okay, in society. So sometimes people will think what that person is uh, that person income of that person is what is low. That person donates. That person give in society low payment. So some person can discriminate. Okay, so through poverty and whatever are given resources by government and government in society. Okay, so people of society distribute of resources, so that people of society will what will distribute of resources as unequally. When when through high poverty, because thinking of different people will be different. Okay, so some people what does think, so we don't know. But in the society, whatever are given by government and depend on the people of society, so what will discriminate with other persons, so depend on people of society how discriminate with the other person as unequally, because in this matter points come poverty. Okay, who have a lot of money, and status of that person, who who person have a lot of money, so status of that person how will be, you can imagine. And on the other side, person who have lack of money, who have a lack of essential needs, that person, status of that person how will be. Now any person can compare between between two person, P and R. P means who person who have lack of money, lack of essential services, materials. Okay, so some person can compare. So we are talking about what status of this person, status of this person. So this person can think about to this person what different things as unequally can think. I am using word can. Okay. So sometimes this person can, because this person have a lot of money. Okay. So this person what can do? Nothing. This person means P, poor person. Person who are poverty person. Okay, so whatever are given by government and in society, uh, this person means in society you will see what people live different uh, can come maybe. Okay, what poor, rich, middle class. Okay, these people you will see in society live. So whatever are given by government in a society, so people distribute of resources different among different people. Then sometimes people will face what as unequality. Okay, some people can face improper implementation of policies. This point of government. Okay, it's point of government means sometimes government can implement implement of policy delay. Okay, can delay of implementation of a policy. So this about it we see what improper implementation of policies. So here we need what proper implementation of policies, and through this we can decide what poverty rates, high poverty rates. So if in any country have are feature of high poverty rates, then we say what in that country implement in that country implement of policy delay. Okay, there can come high poverty rates. Okay, next we will see anti-poverty measures. It's compulsory, and it's I would say what it's nice. Here are using word. Here is using word anti. Sometimes we think what anti means anti-human, anti-national. No, here for us will be right. How? Anti-poverty. We are against to poverty. We are against to poverty. Means we don't need poverty. We need as a equal treatment among people. But here use anti means we don't need poverty. This word means we don't need poverty. Okay, and here are given sentence about it related to this word anti-poverty measures. It has been a priority for the Indian government. Yeah, I say it's compulsory. It's nice for the country, for any country, because we don't need any person who want poverty, who want to live as a poverty. No, and not any person. But what we can, situation, sometimes the situations we fail, we will face. Okay, as a situation. So it has been a priority for the Indian government. Promotion of economic government, economic growth means through this this measure what promotion of economic growth means through economy we can decide economy of India, what is, how is situation of country. So through economy we can measure. But here are saying what India government can promote of economic growth through anti-poverty, targeted anti-poverty measures. Why? To remove, to reduce poverty. So this targeted keep keep it. Okay. So its sentence are nice. Okay, it's compulsory for any country. So next we will see what about schemes, about anti-poverty measures we saw. Now we will discuss about schemes. Schemes, about schemes. Do you know? Because why I am telling you, do you know schemes? Because our government a lot of schemes provide with among people, among society, among village areas. Our government provides schemes such as MGNRAGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This is full name of these schemes. Okay, so 2005 date. Okay, 100 days of wage employment means you will get wage employment of 100 days if you have these schemes then. And this scheme was launched by the our Indian government. Why? For people what for through these schemes many people means rural people. This scheme for rural people, here are discuss, here are given rural employment. So this scheme only for the rural people. Okay, so rural people can work 100 days as a wage employment. So this is a scheme for, first of all, this is it's a scheme for rural people. And in a rural people means a rural person have these schemes, then that person can get wage of employment only for 100 days. Okay, to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. In rural areas, you will see what lack of security, livelihood security. Okay, in rural areas, you some people will see what insecurity, livelihood insecurity. So through this, so when does come livelihood security, livelihood insecurity? When people could not work. Okay, then but our government support to rural person. Okay, and through lot of schemes, but this scheme is nice to the rural person. Okay, and why? Because in rural areas, you will get what lack of work through agriculture. Some person in rural areas, I am talking about in rural areas, some person can get work through agriculture, but remain people of agriculture of rural areas, where that person go will go. Okay, so this is a scheme first of all for rural employment. Okay, and this scheme helps to rural employment in employment. Okay, and through these schemes, our government provide this scheme, and this scheme provides 100 days of wage employment. People means rural people can work through these schemes. Okay, here we are clear. Next is a scheme, also a scheme. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. In short, we say what PMRY. P Prime M Minister R Rozgar Y Yojana. This is what aim of this. What is self-employment for the people. Here are not discussion about rural and urban people whoever people have this skill, then people can get self-employment. Okay, and this is a scheme for people, not here are discussion. Repeat I am repeat I what this is not for only rural urban. Okay, because here are not a discussion about it. We will discuss when only into topic will come, then we will discuss. Okay, so this is aim of this scheme. What self-employment, people can get self-employment. Okay, and people cannot depend on other people. Okay, on other organization. If you have these schemes, then you can get self-employment through these schemes. Whatever are process, so you can see if you have these schemes, then in your schemes, in these schemes was discussed, was mentioned, are mentioned, then you can check out what is right, whatever is written about it, then you will get, then you will you got it, you will get. Okay, now question we need to ask. Through question you can understand. Sometimes you think what some through answer we can understand, we can get, but here are discussion. And when I was writing about it, then next point comes this about questions related to this. Then I think why is given here. So through when I read this question, then in mind automatically comes what about related to this, whatever importance of it poverty. Question is what? Let's see. We can through this we can understand importance of it, importance of anti-poverty through this word, through this question. Are people educated? And your mind can come this question, are people educated? No, you can say entirely of Indian population are not educated person. Okay, yeah, only we can say what if we compare to other to between state, then we can say what Kerala is the first is the first state that have what educated person, more educated person. But we cannot say what entirely person are educated. Okay. So next is what if in any country are not educated person, then we can say that country need to educated person. Okay. Do they have a sweater? Means a person have a sweater. Can you say person means completely not. But in this lecture, we discussed about data means 270 million. So 270 million, it is so what a large of number. So it's not our problem that this is number. Not it's not our problem, but our problem is this data show about poverty person. Means 220% are living as a poverty. So large number you can think large number. Okay, 220 million. Where is? So this person means 220 million person don't have shelter, don't have education. Okay, so here we can say what? No, a person don't have a shelter as a living standard. What about their health care? What do you think about a person's health care? Okay, we see in our surrounding area, in our main area, means district, okay, some area, but and also you can say what government health care is compulsory to rural employment, to rural people, a lot of people, it's compulsory healthcare is compulsory to a lot of people. But also here we can say what in government are not worked as fair, as freely. Okay, how can you say? When you will go to the government hospital, then you will realize because sometimes when we will face when we goes to that place, then we can imagine, we can find out what is problem for a rural person. Okay, then we can understand. Here only we are discussing through theory, but if you are getting through practical, then you are completely now you are completely now what about the problem of that person, of that problem means what is whatever a problem. If you are getting through practical, then you can understand completely entirely solution of a problem. Okay, so next question is what do they have job security? No. About it we have discussed, we discussed it where what security, security, security here you can see but through schemes through schemes are getting livelihood security, people are getting livelihood security but through schemes. Okay, in a rural, but in a rural areas, but these schemes a lot of people need this scheme. And at the present time we can say as a situation of a people in any country, a lot of people face a lot of problems. Okay, so we can say completely most of people whatever in our country are living, people are living, so most of people don't have job security. So that this was about it. Okay, about it means poverty as a challenges, and we discussed what is poverty, data, about the data we discussed. Okay, and about anti poverty we discussed why when we can remove to our poverty. And some state, about some state we have mentioned, we have discussed through lecture means some states what some states have focused on human resources. Some states have focused on agriculture growth. Through this, we can say easily what have reduced poverty. So we need anti-poverty. We don't need poverty. Okay. Because 220 a large of this number show us what these people are living as a poverty. So in our mind, indirect comes these points. Okay. Through this we can understand to feeling of people, to feeling of a lot of people. Okay, through this lecture, whatever whatever in this lecture was data definition. So through definition we can understand feeling of a lot of people. That's it.